subscribe with notifications on.
So guys, yeah, so as I went out yesterday to do some videos, I got a shock of my life. I kind of like felt like, maybe South Africans, we have a problem. We have a problem in a sense that we foreigners, we have a problem with foreigners. Why am I saying we have a problem with foreigners is because of these guys are actually hustling. They wake up in the morning, they go hustle, right? They go hustle. And while we sit at home and we cry, we complain about the government and all those type of things. But here's the catch. As I was talking to these guys yesterday, I heard someone saying on our comments, saying the reason why these guys are not, South Africans are not able to start their own small businesses. Sometimes we look at them, we call this our South African, our own fellow South Africans, we call them lazy and all those type of things. Yes, of course, there are a few of them that are lazy, but not all of them. But now the main challenge that we're facing is that I got there's a catch. There's something that I've actually came across yesterday. Someone stated that South Africans, when they go out on the street and they want to try to sell vegetables like cabbage, onions, and all those type of things, potatoes and tomatoes, that they've been harassed by the police. They go to them, they ask for them for permits, they ask for a lot of things. They need bribes and all those type of things and stuff like that. So as you know, South Africans are not people that are actually used to paying police bribes. Yes, of course, there are those who pays, bribes to policemen, but mostly people that will actually go out and bribe policemen are foreigners. Hence, you see, most of them, they've got plenty shops. They've got Somalians have got plenty shops in South Africa. A lot of people have got small businesses on the streets. They are selling tomatoes, they are selling onions, they are selling a whole lot of things, right? But our own South African, people, they cannot do that. So you ask yourself, why are our own South African people cannot do that? Why can't they sell tomatoes for themselves? Why can't they put the stalikisi? Why lisa simule stalikisi mara machita? Why lisa rekisi montremo? Why ningathengisi machita? Why ningabeke ama potatoes and ama tomatoes and ama cabbage and all those type of things? Nivuke ekuseni niye estradini, nifike nithengise nibeke something on the table. Why can't we South Africans wake up in the morning, go to the market and buy tomatoes and potatoes and onions and cabbages and all those type of things, and open small stalikis and sell? Why can't we do it? Why it's only foreigners who are doing that? And now when these guys are selling, we are abusing them. There are some of these criminals who comes and say, you must pay us 300 rand for protection. They are making these guys pay. They are making these guys pay money. Why would they pay you? Who are you? Are you a policeman? Are you working for the law? Are you working for the South African law? Who are you? Coming to ask these guys to cough out money for you are actually telling them that no, you are going to protect them and so forth. Once you collected that money, you are gone. You are gone, disappeared. That's criminal. That's stealing. You are stealing. Guys, stop stealing foreigners' money. Stop abusing foreigners. South Africans, please guys, whoever you are, whether you are wherever, I don't care whether you are a criminal or whatsoever, but listen to me, stop abusing your power. Stop abusing your power as a South African to go out there and abuse these guys. It's wrong. It's wrong. First of all, these guys are not asking anything from you. They're not asking anything from the government. You've got all the liberties, you've got grants, you've got RDP houses and everything. Why can't you go out and start your own small businesses? Why can't you do that? Eh? If you want to start a business, you want to know how to make money while you're sitting at home, come to me. I'll help you. You know, I won't charge you. I'll help you free of charge. I'll help you how to make money, how to make that 50,000 rand every month while sitting at home. I will help you to know how to make 100,000 rand while sitting at home. I will help you to know how to make that 350,000 rand each and every month while sitting at home. You don't even need to have money to start a business. I'll give you tips on what to do. I'll give you tips. Contact me 081 334 559. So 5509. I repeat, +27 81 334 5509. That's my WhatsApp number. You can contact me. I'll give you advice for free. You must stop the thing of being lazy, sitting at home. These guys are hustling, doing everything when you are sitting at home. Eh? If me now as a South African, I'm able to do that. I'm able to wake up in the morning. I've learned to live like a foreigner in my own country. You know why most South Africans are suffering? It's because they want to rely on the government. Most South Africans are suffering because they're telling themselves, no, I'm waiting for Ramaphosa to give me a grant. I'm waiting for Ramaphosa to give me a RDP house and stuff. You can improve your life. You can improve your life. Let me tell you something. Where you are now, and that RDP house where you are, you can make money with your laptop. You can be at home making money with your laptop. Are you getting my point? You can be at home, sitting at home making money. You can be sitting at home with your phone, with your laptop, making money. That's what I do. I make money using my phone. I'm not trading. I don't like trading. I don't like this Bitcoin and stuff and trading and stuff like that. I don't like that. I started small businesses. You understand? I started an online business. Online business is something that is helping me. I run a transportation business. Are you getting my point? Without cars, every day I'm making over $100 in New York. I'm making over $100 in San Francisco. I'm making over $100 in the UK. I'm making over $100 in France. I'm making over $100 in Washington. While you're sitting at home, you're waiting for the government to come and help you. For what? If you want my help, come to me. Stop abusing people. Stop sitting at home and saying you don't have money and all those type of things. Hey, there's no money, there's no what. Guys, there is money. South Africans, we've got an opportunity to make money. There's so much opportunities in South Africa. Are you getting my point? We can make money. Stop being lazy, guys. Stop the thing of you wanna go out there and steal. You wanna go out and do breakage and break in people's houses and steal cell phones and do pickpockets and all those type of things. You can sit at home and still make money. Let's stop the thing, guys. And now many people are coming on the comments line and say, yeah, this channel is cuck. Yeah, what we are talking. But we're talking about something that is affecting our people. Are you getting my point? Hey, Tata, how's it?
Roof is leaking. Roof is leaking.
Eh?
The roof is leaking.
No, my roof is not leaking, my man. Thank you so much. Sorry, guys. All right. So, it's one of those things. You getting my point? Fix your lives. South Africans, let us fix our lives. I mean, South Africans, we've got an opportunity, guys. We've got a very good opportunity. We can travel to many countries without visa. Eh? You can go to Jakarta, Indonesia. Travel without no visa. It will be like as if you are getting into a bus or a taxi, or you're driving from Pretoria to Johannesburg. It's like that. Going to Hong Kong, you don't need a visa. You just book a flight ticket, you go. In Hong Kong, you'll have there is this thing called a night market. In Hong Kong, they sell clothes on the streets. They sell clothes, beautiful clothes, guys. Beautiful clothes. Some of you'll be like asking yourself, but now I can buy those clothes, but how am I going to get them to South Africa? There is connection. Are you listening to me? I buy clothes from those places. I enter Cape Town, simple, without no problem. Connection.